Okay, all in all, talk about all the boring things, right? All I care is therefore this table. Every question I have, remember, if they ask me about which method to choose, all I need to know is, hey, what mixture is that? From the mixture, I will then select the method and I know what to do from there. Okay, so here we go. Now, if you have an insoluble solid, it doesn't dissolve in the liquid, there are two methods you can use. One is called decanting, one is called filtration. Again, it all has to do with the size of the solid. One is big, one is smaller. Examples shown. Common example in exam. What about solution? A solution is whereby you have a solid that is dissolved in it. Dissolved in where? Dissolved in the liquid, i.e. also known as solvent. It forms a solution. It all depends what you want. If you want the solid, you will then use these two methods called crystallization or evaporation to dryness. The only difference, once again, is how they respond to heat or high temperature. If in a solution, you don't care about the solid, the solute, you only care about the liquid, i.e. the solvent, we will then use simple distillation. Example is given once again. When you have two immiscible liquids, very simple, separating from the like oil and water. When you have two miscible liquids, when they mix, what do? You do fractional distillation. You will split the two liquid. You separate them because of the fractionating column. When you have two solids and one of them sublimes readily, all right, we use the method called sublimation. Example, things that sublimes, iodine once again. Paper chromatography is used when what? I saw a few, usually I look for a few keywords like what? When I saw things like in small amounts, usually immediately I'll think of paper chromatography. There are other examples that keep coming out. Who are they? All right, like the example I give you. You hear things like amino acids or color dyes and inks, so on and so forth. All right, so from there, we also know, oh, likely is paper chromatography. Okay?
If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.